Good morning on day number 4 with a change, with my little challenge I've got going on. So it doesn't get easier. On day 4, it's not easier at all. It's still a challenge. I don't know what to post. And I decided that I'm going to run through the entire little loopy of the 3 R's. And today I'm going to talk about the physical habit of doing it. So I guess this is where Nike says it best: just do it. This is the part where you actually take out your camera and make the post, or where you actually do the physical action. So to keep the habit going on change and enforcing a new habit, just bloody well do it. There we go. That's all. Remember, be great, stay awesome, and change.